What's up guys, Ryan here, Fly Fish Iowa. Got a box here from Montana Fly Company. Want to check out some of the fly tying stuff I picked up looking at this off season and what I'm going to tie this winter. Montana Fly Company sells a lot of flies, but they also sell a lot of cool fly tying materials and tools, so definitely worth checking out. So let's see what we got today. Got a few different packages of satin chenille. This stuff's good for tying big streamers, bodies and stuff. Recommended by my friend Caleb, Regal Beagle Fly Fishing, so looking forward to trying these out. Got some foam, tie my big terrestrial dry fly patterns, maybe even some gurgler type stuff or some mice. Bunny brush. So bunny brush is good for tying streamers. It's like a bunny strip, but you wrap it. There's no leather strip, it's on a wire, so a little easier to tie in. Got some sweet new schlappen. They also make some awesome stickers. This will be a fun one for streamers. Dragon tails. Looking forward to trying these out. Gonna use them for weight and some streamer underbodies. That way you don't have to use dumbbell eyes, but definitely still use dumbbell eyes too. Some tin split shot, trying to get away from lead personally, so tin is my goal here this year. Can never have too many rubber legs, right? These are small, so these would be good on like smaller streamers. And then we got some different size eyes for some streamers too. These are fish eyes. So I'm looking forward to giving all this a shot. Thanks for watching, Tight Lines. Hope to see you on the water.